We divide 495 by 3 in long division method. 3 times 1 is 3. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 9 and it is 19. So 3 times 6 is 18. On subtracting we get 1. So again we put down this 5 and it is 15. So 3 times 5 is 15. On subtracting we get 0. So 495 divided by 3 is 165. So this much for today and thanks for watching.